Classic 2 and 4 slice toasters. They're brushed stainless steel on the outside and have black accents. They look great in almost any style kitchen that you have. There's lots of great features. First we have the bagel feature, because when you're going to toast a bagel, you're going to toast it at a much longer period of time than you would do any other type of bread. So make sure you use that. Then we have our defrost function, which is meant to be used for anything that was previously frozen. And then we have our reheat function. Reheat is really great, especially if you forgot that your toast is done and you're doing something else. Use the reheat function, and what happens is it warms your bread, but it doesn't actually retoast it. And then the next one is the cancel function. So you can cancel at any point during the toasting cycle. The other thing is, I have a removable crumb tray in the back, which you should always remember to check every once in a while, because you can get some nice sized crumbs in there, and they should be emptied. Has a 1.5-inch wide slot, and also has a really nice convenient cord wrap. So today all we're going to do is stick our nice thick slices of bread in here. We're going to put it on 4. We're going to press it down, and we're going to make toast. And then with that, I'm going to show you our 4-slice model up a little closer. So the nice thing about this is actually 2 totally independent toasters. So if one person in the family wants to have an English muffin and the other person wants to have a frozen waffle, it's a great way to cook at any different temperature or doneness that you prefer, because they each have independent features and functions. And they also have independent crumb trays in the back also. So there you have it, the Cuisinart Metal Classic 2 and 4 slice toasters.
It's new. Crock-pot Express Crisp, your all-in-one solution for pressure cooking and air frying. With 15 one-touch programs, the Crock-pot Express Crisp combines 10 common kitchen appliances in one. Choose pressure cooking to cook extra tender dishes up to 70% faster. Attach our separate crisping lid for a crisp oven finish using the same appliance. Or for crunchy, healthy bites, choose air fry, which uses 99.5% less oil. Create your favorite recipes any way you like. The new Express Crisp from Crock-pot. Quick, flavorful meals with a golden crisp finish, all in one pot.